Devil's food cake originated in the United States. It emerged in the early 20th century as a richer, darker alternative to traditional chocolate cake, leveraging the increased availability of cocoa powder and baking innovations of the time. The cake's indulgent nature was likely named to contrast with the light and airy angel food cake. While its exact creator is unknown, the cake quickly became a staple in American baking and remains popular today. Devil's food cake, a rich and decadent chocolate cake, is not typically celebrated for its health benefits. However, certain ingredients commonly used in making devil's food cake do offer some nutritional advantages. Antioxidants. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder are rich in flavonoids, which are antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the heart health. Moderate consumption of dark chocolate has been linked to improved heart health, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease by improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Mood improvement. Chocolate can trigger the release of endorphins, which may help improve mood and reduce stress levels. Protein. Eggs are a good source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and overall body function. Nutrients. Eggs provide essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, riboflavin, and selenium. Calcium. Dairy products used in the cake provide calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D. Some dairy products are fortified with vitamin D, aiding in calcium absorption and bone health. Fat-soluble vitamins. Butter contains vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are important for various bodily functions, including vision, immune function, and bone health. Fiber. Whole wheat flour contains dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain a feeling of fullness. Nutrients. It also provides more vitamins and minerals compared to refined white flour, such as B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.